Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Capcut lag while editing in Capcut PC. So if you're experiencing some lag or some issues with your Capcut while editing, then you're onto the right tutorial. So as you can see, we have successfully chosen a project already in here. If you're having issues with lagging, for us to be able to fix this, what we need to do is we'll just need to go ahead and click onto the outside of the medias that we have onto our time frame. So for example, we have these two videos in here. Now we're going to click outside onto it and it should show the details of your project. So you could see the name for that, its resolution and many more. And if you scroll down further, you should be able to see the proxy in there. So as of the moment, it is currently turned off. And if you turn on the proxy mode, it will improve the editing fluidity without affecting the final exported video quality. So this might help you with your issues with lagging. So what we need to do is we'll just need to turn this one on. And to do that, we'll click onto modify in here and click onto performance. Now, as you can see, it will speed up editing and video quality won't be affected. We'll just need to toggle this one on, and you could also choose a resolution for that. So there are two options, 720p and 540p, and only convert material above the proxy resolution. So you'll just need to simply click on to save for that, and this should fix the issue with your CapCut lagging. And that is just basically it onto how to stop or fix your CapCut lag while editing in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.